So we got this a new dresser for my daughter. She's got all of her toys up here. This is real life. We're going to keep that there. But this is her wardrobe, and I'm going to go ahead and declutter this and put it over here, and then I'm going to move my son's clothes into here. They are currently in our bathroom, but I'm going to put them in here. But this definitely needs to be decluttered, and then I'm going to put it over here. I need to wipe down the drawers. I wiped down the front of it, but didn't wipe down the drawers yet. This is really hard to open with one hand, but I need to wipe down the drawers. I wiped down this one. She's actually going to be storing her Gabby toys in here to keep them away from her little brother. You need to wipe down this bin as well, but need to wipe down in the drawers and then go through that, declutter it, move it over here, and then get my son's clothes. She's loving this space on top. She just has more room, and it's like a big party up here. So she is loving that, and she has a little stool that she can pull up. So let's get to wiping these down and organizing this closet over here.
Let's get right into the cleaning and organizing and decluttering. I didn't end up decluttering too much in this video, but a little bit is something. A lot of the clothes my daughter has, she still fits, but will outgrow in a few months or closer to the end of the year. So I will definitely be decluttering her clothes throughout the year as she outgrows them. But we are going to get a lot of cleaning and organizing and a little bit of decluttering done in today's video. If you are new here for the first time, welcome. My name is Annalisa, and I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have a almost 10-year-old, a 7.5-year-old, a almost 5-year-old, and a almost 2-year-old. And here on my channel, I share homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around. So I have been wanting to get a new dresser for my daughter for a while. She had the wardrobe, and we store my son's clothes in our bathroom on the change table, but I've been wanting to put it into this room where they share right now. But dressers can be so expensive, so I was thinking about it and praying about it and just kind of trying to decide what I wanted to do. And then a few weeks ago, I went on Facebook Marketplace being like, okay, let's see if I can find something. And this popped up even before I searched, and I just really felt like it was a blessing from God because He knows our hearts and He provides for us even the simple things. And this dresser was free, and it was close by, it was local. Sometimes the free things are like further away in the more expensive areas, but this was free. So I thought that was such a reminder of God's grace and that He knows our hearts. I'm going to put on some worship music now as I organize and declutter my daughter's clothes.
I couldn't climb alone, but His hands were guiding me, leading me home. Through the valleys low and the deserts dry, He gave me wings to rise and fly. In His strength I will stay, He's the light that leads the way. There's grace on the mountain where I'm standing now. His love lifted me up from the valley below. No more chains holding me down. I'm standing tall on holy ground. When the storm is raging and I'm feeling lost, I'll find comfort in His love, no matter the cost. Through the darkest nights, He's my guiding star. With faith in my heart, I know just who we are. Every tear falls down with grace. In His arms I have my place. There's grace on the mountain where I'm standing now. His love lifted me up from the valley below. No more chains holding me down. I'm standing tall on holy ground. wandered through the darkness, lost in my way, searching for comfort, longing to stay. Then like a whisper, your love came near, lighting my path, drawing me near. Your grace, it shines, illuminating these times. Grace like rain falls down on me, washing away my iniquity. Your endless love, so wild and free. Grace like rain, it's all I need. Once I was broken, carrying pain, but you healed my heart, washed away the stain. Now I walk in light, His warmth envelops me, dancing through life, so blissfully free. Let it rain down, your love all around. Grace like rain falls down on me, washing away my iniquity. Your endless love, so wild and free. Grace like rain, it's all I need. In every raindrop, there's a promise sweet. With grace like rain, my heart's complete. When the storms of life are raging all around, and you feel your feet can't stand on solid ground, just remember what the good Lord said to you. Hold on to His promises, He'll pull me through. Even in the darkest night, His love will shine. Hold on to His promises. No matter the storm, you are not alone in this. He'll make a way where the path is unclear. Just trust in His love, He'll dry your tears. When your heart is aching and your dreams seem far, look up to the heavens, He's watching from afar. The road may be weary, but don't despair. For every tear you shed, He's aware and cares. Every doubt you harbor, He'll calm the tide. Hold on to His promises. No matter the storm, you are not alone in this. He'll make a way where the path is unclear. Just trust in His love, He'll dry your tears. So sing with hope, let your spirit soar. Hold on to His promises forevermore. Hold on to His promises. No matter the storm, you are not alone in this.
So here is the finished closet before I go ahead and grab my son's clothes and add them into the drawers. So I hung up her dresses, and then I hung her tights on the scarf holder, and then these drawers are all empty for my son. And the drawers here, this is where she's going to store all of her little Gabby toys, her sweaters. And like I said, I could go ahead and declutter some of these, but she does like them, and she's almost outgrowing some of them, so I will let her wear them a little bit longer. Then her pajama drawer, and then up top is going to be shorts and then underwear, and then t-shirts. And then the bottom one is pants. This dresser has been working out so well, and I am so thankful for it. And I just am amazed that we were able to find it for free and feel the blessings of God. And these clothes I'm going to be putting into the other wardrobe for my son. And these are the declutter things. I did end up keeping this bin. I put it in my craft room, and this organizer I have kept for now, but the organizer is broken at the top there. Alright, so here is the change table in our bathroom where we store my son's clothes in the bins. But it is time for an upgrade, and the clothes are going to go into the wardrobe in their room. So I'm going to go through this and put it into the wardrobe. I am on a decluttering kick this year. I definitely will not be like a minimalist, but I'm just trying to go through our stuff, and if we're not using it, declutter it a little bit at a time and just make our spaces more functionable, more function better, and make our spaces simpler. With a busy toddler in the mix, it's definitely nice to simplify things as he outgrows things, and just as he gets into things, just simplifying a life. And just being more intentional with what we bring into our home. I'm always cautious of this, but I just have that in the back of my mind, like, how are we... What is our focus? And as we bring other things in, what can we get rid of? Just making our spaces a lot nicer. For example, this dresser has helped my daughter keep her room a little bit tidier with all of the little Gabby toys. They were stuck in the bin and in the Trofast unit where she stores her toys. They were just all piled up in the bin, and she couldn't see all of the toys she had. So by putting it in the top drawer and separating it out, she's being intentional, and she's playing with the pieces, and she's putting them in the dollhouse because she doesn't have to dig through the bins. So simplifying it, simplifying life in little ways has been really, really helpful. And it is this journey that I'm on this year. So this is my son's wardrobe dresser with all of his clothes in here. And then the dresses hung up. I love how this project turned out, and I am so thankful for this dresser that we got for free. I hope and pray that you can see the blessings of God too in little ways and find joy in every day. And seek the Lord in the simplicity and the simple things and the big and small things. So here is the little bit of clothes that I decluttered from the kids' dressers and closets. So that is all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join us here, and hopefully we can inspire you along the way. Bye for now.